Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel GAMAARZ. Today, we have an exciting product review for you. The electric cleaning brush is a versatile and efficient tool that has revolutionized the way I approach household cleaning tasks. As someone who values both cleanliness and time-saving solutions, this product has quickly become a valuable addition to my cleaning arsenal. One of the standout features of the electric cleaning brush is its powerful motor. With a high-torque rotation, this brush effortlessly tackles grime, dirt, and stains on various surfaces. Whether it's scrubbing away soap scum in the bathroom or removing stubborn grease in the kitchen, the brush's motor delivers consistent and reliable performance. The adjustable speed settings also provide flexibility, allowing me to customize the cleaning intensity based on the task at hand. The brush comes with a set of interchangeable heads, each designed for specific cleaning purposes. The variety of brush heads, including a soft sponge for delicate surfaces, a medium stiff brush for general cleaning, and a hard bristle brush for tougher stains, make this tool suitable for a wide range of cleaning applications. The quick and easy head-swapping mechanism ensures a seamless transition between different cleaning tasks, enhancing overall efficiency. One of the aspects I appreciate most about the electric cleaning brush is its ergonomic design. The handle is comfortable to grip, and the lightweight construction minimizes fatigue during extended cleaning sessions. The cordless operation adds to its convenience, allowing me to move freely without being restricted by power outlets. The rechargeable battery has a decent lifespan, providing ample cleaning time on a single charge. In terms of durability, the electric cleaning brush is constructed with high-quality materials that withstand the rigors of regular use. The water-resistant design ensures that the brush remains functional even when exposed to water, making it suitable for use in wet environments like bathrooms and kitchens. The versatility of this cleaning tool extends beyond traditional household surfaces. I've found it effective for cleaning car interiors, outdoor furniture, and even grout lines. Its adaptability makes it a valuable investment for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. The electric cleaning brush has exceeded my expectations, offering a powerful and versatile solution for a variety of cleaning tasks. Its robust performance, ergonomic design, and range of interchangeable heads make it a standout product in the world of cleaning tools. If you're looking to upgrade your cleaning routine and save time and effort, the electric cleaning brush is a worthwhile investment.